Have you seen these rings before? I bet you have. But did you know the fact that Audi was once sued by International Olympic Committee? What is the relation between them? And why do they have similar kind of logos? Well, we are going to tell you this and some more fascinating facts about the luxurious and one of the best-selling brands in the world. If you're an Audi lover, make sure to stick with us till the end of the video. This resplendent beauty has caught attention of many stars and celebrities because of its sassy look. But did you know that Audi is a subsidiary of Volkswagen? Yup, you heard it right. Many people think Audi is its own entity. In many ways it is, as the company surely started that way. However, it is not a well-known fact that Volkswagen actually owns the luxury giant. Don't we all love left-handed cars? But do you know which company started making vehicles in that way? You guessed it right. The most important feature of this car that made history was the fact that it was the first German car that introduced the left-hand drive. Being the first of its kind, it was a revolutionary feat. Would you believe it if we told you that the name Audi was a suggestion from a child? It sure was. Its founder August Horch was prohibited to use his own name for the brand, so he called out some friends to decide the name. That is when the 8-year-old boy of one of his friends came up with the name Audi. Quite fascinating, right? According to Wikipedia, total revenue Audi has generated is 66 billion euros up until 2019, with the net income of 3.9 billion euros. Did you know over 18 million machines have been produced by the company? Wanna get paid? The average estimated annual salary of an employee at Audi is $129,919 or $62 per hour, while the estimated median salary is $131,477 or $63 per hour. Audi once stopped an international rally racing following an accident that claimed the life of 3 spectators after the driver lost control of the vehicle and drove into the crowd. Now it's time to tell you that why the International Olympic Committee sued Audi. Ready for it? The 4 rings of Audi represents the merger between 4 companies and is 2 decades younger than the Olympics. Due to the resemblance in the logos of both brands, IOC sued Audi in 1995, but thankfully Audi won in a lawsuit. Drive onto the moon? You have got to be kidding me. Audi is always trying to get ahead of the competition, and to do that, they are heading where no other competitor might even dare to go: the moon. Not only that, it is actually going to be the space race that Google is funding. And for those of you who are still with us, here's a bonus fact. When it comes to rotatory engines, Mazda is what first comes to mind. But the truth is, Audi invented the world's first ever rotatory engine. What if you got stung by a bee while driving an Audi? I know how stupid that sounds, but did you know bees flap their wings faster than an Audi rotates its engine? Interesting, right? Either ways, if you'd like to learn some fascinating facts about bees, you can watch our video on screen right now. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments below which fact did you enjoy the most. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. And for now, buzzing out.